Hello everyone, welcome back to Hitech Software YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to make an email setup in Hitech Billing software. So let us discuss step by step. So before making an email setup in software, we have to log in into our email account. The very first step will be to open your Chrome or browser. Here you can see is an option to log in into your mail account, so you can simply tap on the add account option and you can log in into your mail account. As I have already logged in into my mail account, it is reflecting over here. You can simply log in into your mail account by putting your login credential there. Just after logging into your mail account, you can see there will be coming an option of manage your Google account. You can simply tap on that option. Just after tapping on that option, you see here the security option. You have to select a security option from here. Now scrolling down, we can see here is an option of two-step verification. We have to simply select this option. Now the two-step verification is off currently, so firstly we have to turn on it. So you have to tap on the get started option to start it. Now click on the continue option. Now here you have to enter your mobile number in which you'll be receiving an OTP or a code. So you have to enter over here. You can enter another number also which is not linked to this Google account. Now you can select the verification method. Either if you want to receive a code through a text message or a phone call, you can select here. Then you have to tap on send option. Now you have to enter a code over here which you have received on your mobile phone on that particular number. Now after entering the code, you have to tap on next option. Set. You have now set up two-step verification for your email account. Now again go to your manage your account option, then tap on security option. Here you have to search in the search box for a app password. As you see here is a drop down reflecting. You have to select the other from here. Then here you have to type the name of Hitech. Then you can tap on the generate option. You see here is a password generated. You can simply copy this password and you can tap on this done option. Now go back to the software, open your software, go towards the setting option, then email option. Now here we have to make an email setup. Now here first you have to select an email gateway. You can select from the drop down, like I am selecting here as a Gmail. Then I'll type here my email address. The outgoing SMTP and server port is already mentioned here. Then you have to fill the same email address in the place of username. Then the next one is password. As we have already copied that password, so we have to paste the same password over here. And the two settings are here, use SSL and TLS. You have to enable this checkbox and the active checkbox should also be enabled. Then you can simply tap on the save option and it's done. Okay, so let's try to mail an invoice from the software. Okay, we can go to the sale option, then search and manage invoices. Okay, from here let's email any invoice which is already created. So I'll just single tap on that particular invoice and there comes an option of print, export and mail. So simply we can select that option. Now this is the print preview and on the left bottom there is an icon of email. You can tap on that icon. Now this is a tab which is going to appear on your screen. From here we have to mail that particular invoice. In this firstly we have to mention the receiver's email address in the send to box. Then you can put the subject for this email, and if you want to type in any message you can put over here. You can see my GST bill is already attached here, and after filling the details you simply have to select this send option. Okay, so our invoice has been sent through mail. So let's just go to our email box and check whether it's sent or not. So let me just open my email account. Now we have to go in the send box to check whether it's sent or not. Alright, so this is the invoice which we have sent through mail, as you can see. So this is the process of making an email setup in the software and sending the invoices through mail. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, be sure enough to give a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with Hitech Billing Software.